Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Monday, August the 24th. Well, the first thing that hits us in looking at the market today is the change of character as denoted by the candlestick. And this candlestick today is totally different than any candlestick we've had for the last 4 days. For a start, all of the colour of the bodies of the candlesticks for the last 4 days was green. Green body means that the bulls have made net progress on the day, and as this first time frame uptrend continued on its way, the bulls were making more and more net progress. Now all of a sudden we have a very small red body. The red body means that the bears have made some net progress, but a very small amount of net progress. But a lot of the bullishness that was in this market has evaporated. If we look at the trend is in a first time frame uptrend. We have continuation of the series of higher highs and higher lows, and the small bodied candle, which is a doji type candle, is a note of indecision, and there is potential there for a change of trend in the first time frame to the downside. Now we have quite a large shadow on the top of this candle, which means that there was strong downside price rejection as well, which is not what we've seen over the last 3 or 4 days. Each time that the market has been trading up to the upside on the last 4 days, the bulls have been strong enough to close the market up near the high. Not necessarily at the high, but near the high, which means that the market was very, very bullish in all of these 4 days of trading. Now all of a sudden, a total change of character. So there is potential for a change of trend to the downside, and we need to be aware of that. So the low of the current candle becomes very important. Now obviously, the market is trading up towards this zone of resistance around 1,044, and I think that that's having some sort of influence at the moment in selling this market off. The market's getting a little bit jittery. It was probably a little bit too bullish, and it's probably prepared for some sort of a minor pullback. The areas of potential support are around this previous resistance level here at 1,018. That could offer a potential area of support. If we trade down through there, then we have the Tenkan Sen, and that's at 1,007, and then previous resistance area at 1,000, and then at the Kijun Sen at 988. So if the market does come off, there are a lot of areas where the market can find support. If we do trade up above the 1,044 level, and I'll just pan out, we can see that there's very strong upside potential if we can close up above there with a substantial bullish close.